Hey guys, I am back with another video, and for those of you that don't recognize this figure, this is the Neca 1/4 inch Batman Begins figure, and I did another cape overhaul. And as you can see, the cape is much bigger, much longer, just like in Batman Begins. So the cape that came with this one actually wasn't that bad. Now, the one that came with a Michael Keaton 1/4 inch figure, that one was pretty bad. It pretty much looked like a garbage bag. So that one, when I got it a couple of years ago, I did a new cape for that one, so I'll show that to you guys on another day. But this one, I'm actually pretty happy with how it came out. But you can just see the cape just brings this to a whole new level. Now, I use the same exact fabric that I used in the previous video. That was for the Batman Begins Hot Toys figure. I used the same fabric, and what I did was I took the original cape from this figure and I just traced the outline, and I extended it about, I want to say, a 1/2 inch or so to make it longer. And it wasn't difficult removing the cape, so you have to tug at these, and they are attached, so it takes a little bit of effort to take them off. But the cape comes right off, and I just used some super glue, and it's as good as new. I think it just looks so much nicer with this cape. And capes can really break a figure or make the figure. And as I said before, the cape that came with this wasn't that bad, but I've been wanting to do a rehaul on this cape for a while, and I had some time, so I decided to do it. And the one thing I want to mention, the face sculpt on this figure is pretty amazing. I believe this retails for like $150, at least when it first came out. And the face sculpt is just amazing. I mean, the likeness, that's Christian Bale. And getting that as a $150 figure, that's pretty freaking good. I'm going to show you the back side. And the nice thing about having a long cape, you can just pose it so many different ways. But I think I like that one. Alright, and that's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.